I am Jazrildo Campo, 25, and I am your Miss Universe Cavite. Facts about me is, I am a commercial model. I work with different brands. Kung makikita niyo po sa social media account ko, I work with big brands na din. And second is, I am a volleyball player. I am an athlete since I was in high school hanggang sa nag-college ako, which is naging scholar ako because of being an athlete or being a volleyball player. And last one is, it's fun to be with me. Like, you can be yourself anytime when you're with me.
Wow. Pasingit a question. Who's your favorite Miss Universe Philippines winner?
My favorite Miss Universe Philippines winner is Pia Wurtzbach because we all know about her story that she joined 3 times in Miss Universe Philippines, and that gives me motivation to join pageants.
How about you, Miss Danny?
The trait that I will bring to Miss Universe stage, being a Caviteña, is we all know that being a Caviteña and Caviteña is known for being a bayanihan. Like, Miss Universe Philippines promotes sisterhood. So I think that's one thing that I will bring to Miss Universe, the bayanihan attitude, which is magtutulungan-tulungan kami nandun dahil kami-kami lang po yung nandun.
Alright, thank you so much. Sabihin ko lang, ang swerte niyong dalawang girls kasi